Some vehicles seem built to outlast everything else on the road, running smoothly for years with minimal fuss. Others demand constant attention, surprise repairs, and trips to the shop that test patience and budgets. Longevity comes down to smart engineering, attention to detail, and how well a car handles the wear and tear of daily life. Certain machines quietly earn a reputation for dependability, giving owners peace of mind mile after mile. Today, we will talk about Honda models ranked by reliability. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Honda models ranked by reliability, 2026 update. Honda has long been synonymous with reliability, engineering simplicity, and longevity. From the Civic to the CR-V, Honda vehicles have consistently demonstrated the ability to reach 200,000 to 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. In 2026, reliability rankings continue to favor Honda's proven engines, transmissions, and build quality. When assessing Honda models, factors such as engine durability, transmission performance, electrical reliability, suspension longevity, and cost of ownership are considered. While all Hondas are generally reliable, some models stand out due to simpler designs, fewer electronics, and robust mechanical systems. For instance, the Civic, Accord, and Fit have decades of data supporting their dependability. Meanwhile, newer SUVs like the CR-V and HR-V have shown strong reliability ratings in long-term owner reports. This ranking also considers known issues, maintenance frequency, and repair costs. In the paragraphs ahead, we will examine Honda models from most reliable to least, highlighting which engines, trims, and years are safest for buyers who want dependable, low-maintenance vehicles. 2. Honda Civic. Compact reliability legend. The Honda Civic continues to be one of the most reliable vehicles on the market. Its naturally aspirated engines, straightforward transmissions, and proven suspension components allow Civics to routinely exceed 250,000 miles with minimal repairs. The Civic's simplicity is a key factor. Older models feature fewer electronics and simpler engine designs, reducing potential failure points. Even turbocharged 1.5-liter engines in newer generations maintain excellent reliability when serviced properly. Known issues like minor oil consumption or occasional electronics glitches are rare and generally inexpensive to repair. Civic's low maintenance costs, strong resale value, and fuel efficiency contribute to their high long-term ownership appeal. Whether purchased as a used model or new, the Civic remains a smart, dependable choice for commuters, first-time buyers, and long-term drivers. Its widespread availability also ensures parts are affordable and repairs are easily handled by both dealerships and independent mechanics. 3. Honda Accord. Mid-size reliability benchmark. The Honda Accord has consistently ranked as one of the most reliable mid-size sedans for decades. Its 4-cylinder and V6 engines, combined with automatic transmissions, deliver decades of dependable performance. Older models feature proven naturally aspirated engines, while newer generations incorporate turbocharged options that remain durable when maintained properly. Suspension and brake components are robust, and electronics are generally reliable compared to competitors. Accords have low rates of catastrophic failures, and repairs are typically affordable. Hybrid variants of the Accord, such as the Accord Hybrid, have also shown strong reliability, with Honda's proven hybrid system integrating smoothly with minimal issues. With long-term durability, strong resale value, and low maintenance costs, the Accord remains a top recommendation for families, commuters, and anyone seeking a reliable daily driver. Regular oil changes, timing belt or chain maintenance, and careful attention to fluids ensure the vehicle's longevity well beyond 200,000 miles. 4. Honda CR-V, compact SUV. Dependability. The Honda CR-V is among the most reliable compact SUVs in its class. Its naturally aspirated engines and later turbocharged 1.5-liter engines deliver dependable power while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. CR-V owners consistently report long-lasting performance, often surpassing 200,000 miles without major repairs. Early models prioritize simplicity and mechanical durability, while newer models include modern electronics, which slightly increase maintenance complexity but remain reliable overall. Transmission issues are rare, and routine maintenance is straightforward. Known problems are typically minor, such as occasional brake wear or AC system maintenance. For buyers seeking a compact SUV with a balance of reliability, interior space, and affordability, the CR-V continues to excel. Its longevity, low repair costs, and strong resale value make it a solid choice for families, commuters, and budget-conscious drivers. 5. Honda Fit. Small car, big reliability. The Honda Fit has earned a reputation for being small, practical, and incredibly reliable. Its 1.5-liter engines, simple transmissions, and lightweight chassis allow it to reach high mileage with minimal issues. The Fit's magic seat design adds functionality without compromising mechanical simplicity. Older generations are especially dependable due to fewer electronics and uncomplicated powertrains. Turbocharged engines are limited in the Fit lineup, further improving reliability. Owners report minimal repairs beyond routine maintenance, and parts are widely available and affordable. Fuel efficiency is excellent, and Fit models retain resale value well. For urban drivers, small families, or anyone seeking an economical, reliable hatchback, the Fit is a standout. Its combination of practicality, low maintenance costs, and proven durability places it high in Honda reliability rankings. 6. Honda HR-V, reliable crossover choice. The Honda HR-V, a subcompact crossover, combines practicality with long-term reliability. It shares mechanical components with the Fit, including engines and transmissions, which are known for durability. Early models feature naturally aspirated engines, while newer models include updated powertrains that maintain Honda's reliability standards. Common issues are minor and include occasional suspension noise or AC service, while major repairs are rare. HR-V are easy to maintain, with parts readily available and repair costs manageable. Their fuel efficiency, low ownership cost, and Honda engineering reliability make them appealing for city drivers, small families, and long-term owners who want a crossover without expensive surprises. The HR-V's compact design, reliability, and low maintenance make it a practical alternative to larger SUVs while retaining strong resale value. 7. Honda Odyssey, family reliability. The Honda Odyssey minivan is widely regarded as one of the most reliable family vehicles. Its V6 engines are durable, and transmission systems are generally dependable when serviced according to manufacturer recommendations. The Odyssey has low rates of major mechanical failure, though routine maintenance on brakes, suspension, and fluids is important. Older models benefit from mechanical simplicity, while newer models include modern electronics that require careful monitoring but remain reliable overall. Families value the Odyssey for comfort, longevity, and resale value. Well-maintained units often exceed 200,000 miles, making them a smart long-term investment for parents needing a reliable people mover. 8. Honda Pilot, midsize SUV reliability. The Honda Pilot is a midsize SUV designed for durability and family use. Its V6 engines and robust automatic transmissions provide dependable performance, with owners routinely reporting mileage over 200,000. Early Pilot models offer simplicity, while newer iterations include advanced electronics that slightly increase maintenance needs but generally remain reliable. Common issues include minor suspension wear or AC service, but major mechanical failures are rare. Fuel efficiency is competitive for the segment, and resale value remains strong. The Pilot's blend of reliability, space, and Honda engineering makes it an ideal choice for long-term ownership, particularly for families seeking a safe, durable SUV with predictable costs. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.